Hello, my name is Nick, DeRegis. I have used Ringba now since 2016-17. It's done a lot for not only the companies I'm with now, but the companies I've been with before. In regards to any type of call tracking, call routing, it's the most simple platform we've ever used. Again, I really got involved with the space. I've used about 8 different dialers now inside of just the call center or contact center space overall. And every single one that I've used has integrated with Ringba, and it's been very fluent and very efficient and very easy for myself and our team to use. When it comes to working with Ringba and the team, very smooth. The onboard process is always smooth. The training process is very smooth. The reps and the support, anytime we need anything done, it's a quick message to them. If not, the resources that they provide just to train alone, the founders did. Adam did a great job really putting, 30 hours or so just himself into putting together a training resource, not only for myself and my team, and I really couldn't be more grateful for that.